Good afternoon. Just Jeremiah here in Stillwater at the Estates at Linden in the courtyard. My mom's wheelchair wouldn't fit out this door. It's a bummer. It's a huge wheelchair and it's awesome, but it just won't fit. So I'm making myself and my mom a meal, something special. She doesn't get seafood much. So I'm making a shrimp scampi. And I'm gonna throw that in like some Alfredo noodles and call it a day. I can't wait. She hasn't had shrimp. I served her a banana today. What else? I like bringing her stuff she hasn't eaten. Oh, a Caesar salad. She loved it. She didn't think she would. Food is kind of like my way to connect with my mom. She's always struggled with like weight issues, and so I struggle with, wanting to like give her something healthy or something that she enjoys. And I've just gotten to the point where I'm just gonna give her something she enjoys. I'm gonna try to balance the health aspect a little bit, but the main thing is just her happiness. And there's like a magic to food. And having grown up, somewhat lacking as a kid, food was kind of scarce. Food is just really special to me, and I work in the food industry. I love sharing food. I love making food, and just that magic, and knowing that I'll get to spend a holiday with my mother tomorrow is just, it's really great. A lot of times I ended up spending the holidays alone over the years, so this is going to be like spectacular for both of us. I'll show you when we eat the food. Then maybe I'll share what some of the steps are for my mom. It's hard for her to even pick up a fork and eat. And again, I like to let her gain the independence of doing it. And the food's a good incentive to want to like pick up your fork, especially when it's fresh shrimp. But yeah, I'll feed her too, and we have to make sure she has the bib, and we're both okay with the fact that things have kind of flipped, and I'm basically like in the parental role, and she's in that of the child, or even younger at times. The very gifted, talented, intelligent child. But yeah, ooh, this is going a lot nice. It's almost ready. Lots of garlic. My mom loves garlic. Her sensitivities have gone up, so she can't really have sour, like blueberries. She thinks blueberries are like not right because they're so tart. She just can't handle it. Anything that's like black pepper, any spice at all. She's a true Minnesotan there. Minnesotans, they can't handle their spice. This is looking awesome. Very sensitive to light. She's very sensitive to sounds, to any vibration or touch. I think it had to deal with a lot of the neurological effects of the medicines, and also what she's suffering through. She's just inside watching me. I feel bad leaving her out there in there, but I gotta watch this. And I thought I'd share this. And that's about all I'll shove into this video. Thanks for watching. Get outside, make a nice meal, and share it with someone you care about. It doesn't even have to be an occasion. Hope you have a great day. Take care.